Good morning, children. Let us begin this morning's class with the topic methods of measuring the elasticity of supply. The last economics class, I had given you the various degrees and the theoretical part of it. Today, we will do a few numericals on elasticity of supply. Okay. Now, the methods of measuring elasticity of supply, children, there are many, but the two very important ones is the percentage or proportionate method, and secondly, we also have what is called the point method or geometric method. But in your portion, the point method or the geometric portion has been removed. So we are left to study only the percentage or the proportionate method. That is in your portion. The point method and or the geometric method, as we call it, that has not been kept in your portion this year. It has been deleted. That topic has been deleted. Now, percentage method, we will use the formula just like remember in elasticity of demand. Elasticity of supply will be written as E as percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. This is the formula we will be using when we are doing it by the percentage method. Now, how do you calculate percentage change in quantity supplied? Percentage change in quantity supplied is calculated as change in quantity supplied upon the original quantity supplied into 100. Okay, and how do we find percentage change in price? We find that percentage change in price will be equal to change in price upon original price into 100. This is the formulas we will use. The main is elasticity of supply by percentage method is percentage. Delta stands for change. Change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. Okay. Then how do we find percentage change in quantity supply? The percentage change in quantity supply is found out by using this change in quantity supplied upon the original ORG, I will in short form, original quantity supplied into 100. Similarly, how do you find percentage change in price? Percentage change in price will be found by percentage change in price upon the original price into 100. Okay. Now coming to the proportionate method. Proportionate method, when we have to do PS is equal to delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Delta Q stands for change in quantity upon change in price. P here stands for the original price. Q stands for the original quantity. Is that okay, children? These are the two formulas on which we are going to do our today's numericals. So copy down this, and also I will do a question, and we will do these. Write down the question. Have you copied this down? Please copy it down quickly. Okay. Children, when you have copied it down, just give me an indication so I know I can go forward. Anyone? Yeah. Good. Now kindly write down the first question. Write down. If the price of a commodity, if the price of a commodity falls from rupees 20 per unit to rupees 15 per unit, 0.5 to rupees 15 per unit, its supply falls from 100 units to 50 units. Find out elasticity of supply. Let us put down what we have, price and quantity supply. So the question said that the price of the commodity falls from 20 to 15. The quantity, the supply falls from 100 to 50. Okay, find the elasticity of supply. Now, ES, first residual proportional method, delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Change in quantity, what will be the change in quantity? Is equal to 50 minus 100 is equal to minus 50. Change in price is equal to 15 minus 20 is equal to minus 5. Yeah. So elasticity of supply, change in quantity is minus 50. Change in price is minus 5. P is the original price 20. Q is the original quantity 100. Minus the minus 5, 10. 10, 10 the 10, 2 the. So ES is equal to 2. When ES is equal to 2, what will it be? Supply is highly elastic, therefore supply is highly elastic. Why? Because ES is greater than 1. And if you look at your notes which I have given you, if you look into your notes what I have given you, elastic, about the elasticity of supply, you will find how and when what becomes. Okay, the degrees of the form, they were perfectly elastic supply when ES is equal to infinity. They were perfectly inelastic supply when ES is equal to 0. And there is highly elastic supply when ES is greater than 1. Highly inelastic when ES is less than 1. And unit elastic when ES is equal to 1. As for this, it is 2. So ES is greater than 2. It is highly elastic. Proportional method. Okay. Now let us do this by the percentage method. ES is equal to percentage change in quantity supply upon percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity supply is equal to change in quantity upon original quantity into 100. Change in quantity is minus 50 upon original quantity was 100 into 100 minus 50%. Percentage change in price is equal to change in price upon original price into 100. Change in price minus 15 upon upon original was 20 into 100. That is, how much is it? 15 minus 25 minus 5. It's not minus, oh, whatever it is, minus 5. Changing price. 15 minus 20 minus 5. Minus 25 minus 25%. Now this value and this value which we have calculated will get substituted over here. Change in quantity supplied is minus 50 upon change in price is minus 25 minus 25 user. So ES greater than 1 is highly elastic. The same we have done by the percentage method. Now children, you need to know both, but and every time a question is asked, you don't need to solve it by both methods. Because sometimes it will be asked of you, calculate the elasticity of supply using percentage method or by proportionate method. Or if nothing is being asked of you, then your choice is there, either you do it by percentage method or you do it by proportionate method. But don't do it twice. I have done it twice to show you both the methods. If it is asked of you, calculate elasticity of supply, nothing is there. Calculate elasticity of supply. Now which one you find easy? If you find the proportional method easy, go for proportional method. If you find the elasticity, what do you call it, percentage method easy, go for percentage. Unless asked of you specifically, that is a different question. Then you have to do it by that particular method. Am I clear, children? Am I clear? Yeah. Please copy that down. Yeah. Is it visible on the board now, the light? Okay. Take down the next question. Write down the next question. The supply of the product is 200 units at the price of rupees 20. When the price rises by rupees 10, supply also rises by 100 units. Calculate the price elasticity of supply. So what we have is put down, we have price and quantity supply. The supply of the product is 200, that's quantity supply. When the price is rupees 20, when the price rises by 10, that is 20 plus 10 becomes 30. The supply also rises by 100 units. 200 plus 100 is 300. Find the elasticity of supply. Okay. One more question I will do with both the methods. After that, I will just do one method. Okay. So ES, elasticity of supply, delta Q upon delta V into V upon Q. Elasticity of supply, change in quantity from 200 to 300 is 100. Change in price of 5 to 30 is 10. Original price is 20. Original quantity is 200. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then another, 2, 9. ES is equal to 1. When ES is equal to 1, what is it? Supply is unit elastic. Supply is unit elastic because ES is equal to 1. Okay, this is the proportional method. Let us do the percentage method. Elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. We need to find percentage change in quantity supplied equal to change in supply of quantity upon original quantity into 100. That is, change in quantity would be 100 upon original quantity was 200 into 100. That is equal to 50%. Percentage change in price. Change in price upon the original price into 100. Change in price from 20 to 30 becomes 10. Original price was 20 into 100. 2 5 are 10 5 are 50%. So we have this and we have this. Substituting these two values in the formula, change in quantity supplied is equal to 50 upon 15 is equal to 1. So ES is equal to 1 unit elastic. Okay, children. Any of you have any doubts, any queries? Okay. I am doing both just so that you get familiar. Okay. Now from now onwards, I'll try and do only one. Okay. The other I'll leave for you to try. Okay. But remember, unless and until asked of you for a particular method, then you have to know the method. Otherwise, you have an option of either the proportionate method or percentage. Is it done? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Let's go on. Take the third question down. The price elasticity of supply. The price elasticity of supply of a commodity is 2.5. At a price of rupees 5 per unit, its quantity supplied is 300 units. Calculate the quantity supplied at a price of rupees 4 per unit. Let us put down what we have learned in the question. The question says the elasticity of supply, that is ES, is 2.5. That is given. At the price of 5 per unit, the quantity supplied was 300. Okay. Calculate the quantity supplied at price 4. Calculate the quantity. Quantity is the unknown value, which is X. Okay. So now, elasticity of supply, delta Q or delta T is P upon Q. Now, delta Q will be change in quantity equal to X minus 300 and change in price equal to minus 1. Right? So, elasticity of supply, change in quantity is X minus 300 upon minus 1. Original price was 5. Original quantity was 100. 5 on the 5, 60. So this is ES is equal to 6 minus 60 upon X minus 300 upon minus 60. Is that okay? What about ES? Sorry, we have missed out over here. We already have ES is equal to 2.5. Okay? Yeah. So 2.5 into minus 60. 6 5 30, getting 3, 6 50. It is 150 minus 150 because of the minus cross multiply. Okay, so x minus, now x minus 2.5 into minus 60, we got how much? 150 is equal to x minus 300 cross multiply. X is equal to 300 minus 150 plus, so x is equal to 150. X's value is equal to 150 units. 61 plus 60 minus 60 cross multiplied 150. 150 is equal to x minus 300. Okay, so x is equal to, on the left to right sign change. X is equal to 150. Okay, children. I'll just about have one more question time now. I will give you the question and we will come back tomorrow and solve it. Okay. So kindly take down the question. Is it okay? Yeah. Can we go on? Yeah. Next question. Fourth. Take down the question. The price elasticity of supply of a commodity is to when its price falls from rupees 10 per unit to rupees 8 per unit, the quantity supplied falls by 500 units. Calculate the quantity supplied at the reduced price. What is given? This is given as 2. Price elasticity applies to when the price falls from 10 to 8. Price was 10 to 8. The quantity supplied falls by 500 units. First of all, we go to the quantity supplied at X. And when it is at 8, it falls by 500 units. So X minus 500. I'm giving you this detail, work it out. And we will come back tomorrow and solve it. Do the proportional method. The details are given to you. At 10, we don't know what quantity is applied, but we know at price 8, it falls by 500 units. So using this, you please give me the answer tomorrow. Otherwise, before we will do it tomorrow. So this is a little homework or an exercise, if you would want to say, to see how well you are catching up. Okay? So we'll close till here, stop till here. We'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, all of you have a nice day and be safe.